Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. Today I'm going to give a shout out to Chef Grace's place. First up, I'll just go over the rules really quickly for the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. Basically, it's just 7 shout outs in 7 days, 7 uploads. So rule number 1 is have fun. If you're another YouTuber out there and you want to participate, basically just have fun. You can do shorts, you can do just shout outs. There's no deadline, no call outs. So just because I'm giving you a shout out doesn't mean I expect you to do 7 videos in 7 days. And rule number 2, again, it's 7 uploads in 7 days and do 7 different shout outs to 7 different YouTube channels. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can put it on Facebook or whatever you like. Rule number 3, if you do put it on YouTube, use in the title or description or somewhere in the video hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. And rule number 4, leave a comment on one of my shoutouts just saying you accept the challenge. Alright, so again, special shout out to Chef Grace's place. I participated in her hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021 challenge. I had a lot of fun with that. I did nachos in a bag, I did trash can nachos. I actually had 4 entries. I did KFC nachos where I dressed up as the Colonel, and then I did Elvis nachos with peanut butter and bananas and jelly and bacon, and you guessed it, I dressed up as the King. So I had a lot of fun with Chef Grace on that. I also did an interview on Chef Grace's place, so go to her channel, and when you subscribe, check out my interview on Chef Grace's place. Also, a while back, I made a drink in her honor. I'll put the link up. It was on my Pineapple Moscow Mule and Wing episode. I made a drink in her honor named the Grape Grace, and it was absolutely delicious, so check that out. All right, without any further ado, I'm gonna make a quick drink. I call this a spiked Roy Rogers. So a Roy Rogers is just like a children's drink with Coca-Cola and grenadine, and it's meant to taste like a cherry Coke. So I'm going to do a spiked Roy Rogers. I got a little ice in the glass. We'll go a ½ ounce of vodka. And then the cherry component, I got a nice cherry hearing. It's my most favorite of all the cherry liqueurs. We'll do an ounce and a half of that. And then for Roy Rogers, they use grenadine. I'm just going to substitute. I got some maraschino cherry syrup. And then we'll finish that off with a little bit of cola. And I have some maraschino cherry as garnish. And that is my spiked Roy Rogers. Next, we got a great Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make some orange chicken that you might get at one of those Chinese fast food places named after a panda. But I'm going to take that Chinese orange chicken and I'm going to put it on sushi. And that's going to be my Appies with Chappy by the lake. Coming right up.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today I have some Chinese orange chicken sushi. See here how I made it. go with my Chinese chicken orange sushi, I'm going to make a classic tiki drink from Trader Vic's. It's called a fog cutter. So I just have a glass of ice. So we're going to do the juice of a full lime. And the juice of a half lemon. And a half ounce of orgeat. I make my own orgeat. It's basically just a simple syrup with toasted almonds. And a half ounce of gin. Got a little Tanqueray today. And 2 ounces of rum. I'm just going to use some spiced rum, Captain Morgan's, because that's what I got. And then I don't think I've made a fog cutter here before on the show, but it was mostly just because I never had sherry. So I went out and bought some sherry. Oh, sherry. And it's just a half ounce of sherry. So I bought the whole bottle for a half ounce. And then 1 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice. I squeezed it myself. And then I have an orange wedge as a garnish to go with my Chinese orange chicken. Thanks for watching. Appy's with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a new episode every Friday, so hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.